Hi everyone, welcome to Techies Hobbies. So today I'm going to review this clothing brand called Aesthetic Indians. I guess you all should know this influencer called Rubal Dhankar. He got his fame from Roadies and now he's quite active on YouTube. And also he was into bodybuilding, and that's why he's competed in amateur Olympia and stuff. So that's why I got more interested in his videos. And when I went through them, I found out that he has this clothing brand called Aesthetic Indians. Aesthetic Indians. And when I browsed through their page, I found out these co-eds or basketball jersey and shorts sort of clothing. Usually if I'm buying any NBA jersey, or like if I'm buying such quality stuff, it is going to be very expensive. So this one, if it matches that quality, then it is going to be a very good thing. So I'm hoping that it does. And anyway, let's also I liked how the design looks, and it is made in India, and it is has Indians written on it and stuff. So let's unbox and see what we have inside, and let's see, let's hope that it is a pretty the quality is good. So let's see. The packaging is pretty good, and it came via Blue Dart, I think. So that part is also good. It was delivered quite quickly. Only it took 1 or 2 days to reach Bangalore. So hoping that the quality of the apparel is also good. Alright, so I have kind of broken through it, and this is it. So let's see what we have. So I took the large size because I don't want it to be too tight. Alright, so I think overall the large size, I think the quality is pretty nice. What do you guys think? The quality, I feel it says Aesthetic Int 00 IND, that is, and at the back there is nothing. But let's now open the shorts and see how it looks. All right, this is the shorts. I think overall quality, I'm pretty happy with how it looks. Now the only thing is it should fit well. Yeah, so I'll just try it out and hoping that it fits well. Guys, so I wore the dress that I got, that is the jersey and shorts, and I should say it's pretty good. So I haven't even removed the tags. So the quality of the cloth is very nice, and really worth the price. I think after discount I got it for around 1300 or so for both the like jersey and the shorts. So it's called Co-ed or something, and it's available in many colors like red, but I really like this green color, so that's why I got this. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.